Hello everyone, what's up guys here? Today I'm CHUOY again and I will show you or teach you how to put the password inside your PDF document. So today I have one software that is completely new to all, and I think you guys have using um, Adobe Acrobat. That is long time ago. A lot of people that still using Adobe Acrobat software. But today, um, I introduce you one new software that is called uh, Wondershare PDFelement Professional. It is the version is 8.0.2.0. It is a long version also, but I just found it and I have tested it really good and really work fine. It is work fine, and the size is only 115 megabyte here. The size is small. It is very fast and reflexible and have much more functions. So you can download it in my description below or go to the website to wondershare.com to download it with a trial version, but you still can use that with the trial version. So today I will teach you how to do that and put the password inside the PDF files, and you can also edit the text inside the PDF files also. First you need to download this file and extract it here like this, and the password is 123 and 123 again. Okay, and now you're gonna install that file. That is install it. um, I recommend you to use the trial version because it's working better. Okay, after you have been already installed, it will look like you will have the software inside this folder. And now I will take you from the start up. For example, here is an document that I'm going to save it to the PDF files. So go ahead and click on save as, and you will find the PDFs or XPS here. So go ahead and click that and put anywhere on the desktop, and then click on publish or save. Okay, and now we have one file that called PDFs. It look like this. The PDF file is look like this because we have using this software, and it will automatic turning or opening with the PDF file like this. So the first thing that you're gonna see on the top bar here, you will see you can add the comments or edit the text inside the PDF file. And here is the file name, that is Cambodia PDF. You can also even add or edit anything inside the PDF file. So you can also add a watermark, add an image, add text, background, header and footer, and the date number, and so on. And this place is you can convert it directly from the PDF to the Word, to Excel, to PPT, to image, to text, or to other PDFs. So you don't need to do anything online converting. So this one is enough for you to do with that. And the other one is a tool that we can see combined files and OCR. OCR is a recognized scan by using image or the text in image to the real text. it's called OCR. And so much more, you can also crop and capture and so on. And this place we're gonna see the protection. Protection is allow you to protect document by putting the password inside your file or document. So this topic is we talk about how to use or how to set up the password inside inside the PDF file. So now you will go to the you tab on the protect here, and you will see on the left hand side that called set password. So go ahead and click that and check on the open password here. And now you put the password whatever you want. So for example, I'm gonna use 1 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, number 4. And you can also see what is your password here. And now you don't need to change anything from this, so I'm gonna click on save, and now I'm gonna close now I'm gonna close on that. When you're gonna close, they will ask you to save as a copy before we are closing. So you need to save it also like this. That is called the copy version. So click on continue to drive and select the folder that you want to store it, and here, and now I'm gonna put on the desktop and click on save. So now we have two more. One is an original and the other is a copy version. So the copy version have a password, but the original don't have a password. As you can see here, it go in directly, but when you opening the copy version of that PDF file, you will see the password protection like this. So now you need to put the password to you to open that document. So as you remember, password is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Make sure that you have typed it correctly and then click OK. After we have clicked OK, you will see the entire document just inside the PDF file. And make sure that you have to I'm sorry for my coughing. Okay, you can also even edit the text just inside the PDF file also. And here is the way that we're gonna add some text. Just type in anything that you want to edit, just like this. Okay, and then go to the file and save it. Okay, continue trials. And this one is also, when you save as, it will asking you to name or rename it. So this is the way that we're gonna edit the file, and now we have 3 of them because we click on the save as, and save is completely different. I think you understand about it. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now okay, and you will see this one is save as and save. So every edit will be to save it again and make it as a copy, as you can see here on the title. So this is the way that you can add the PDF file to the PDF's document. To make sure that we're gonna choose is PDF file, but it's showing this icon because we are using with the Filmora's PDFelement Professional. If we are using the Adobe Acrobat, it will showing the logo icon like this. if you are opening with the Adobe Acrobat, you will see all icon of the file will change to this one. So I think this both is working the same and still both better, but Filmora Wondershare is much more smaller size and reflexible and faster and have more function that you can to do with that. For example, the OCO function or any function that I have already told you at the last second, a few seconds ago. So this is the way that you can protect it, your PDF file to add the password to your PDF file. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.